everybody, Juliana here. Today is day for some French toast. French toast is a classic dish that everybody should know. I will show you the classic recipe, a delicious and savory one that you can use for breakfast and brunch, and another one that you can use for dessert, apple pie French toast. Today I will be showing you 3 delicious ways to make an incredible French toast and to take this classic to the next level. So let's cook. For French toast, you first need to start with a great bread. I'm going to be using a delicious brioche. For me, it's always the best. White bread also works really well if you don't have a brioche. Cut the slices for your toast. They need to be thick to hold the custard and to give your French toast the nice texture when cooked. Place them over a rack on a tray. Dry the slices in the oven for 30 minutes or overnight, leaving them out. Let's start with the classic French toast recipe. For the custard, add into a medium-sized bowl 2 egg yolks, 1 cup of cream, a 1/3 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract or paste, some orange zest. Mix everything well and pour the custard into a container wide enough to add the bread into. Get the custard and soak the bread. If you like your toast really soft. If you like it more dry, just lightly wet the toast. Do both sides. In a medium pan over medium heat, add some vegetable oil and add about a 1/2 tablespoon of butter. When the butter is melted and starts to foam, add the toast and cook it until both sides are nice and golden. Place the French toast into the oven for 10 minutes to firm up. Serve with syrup and fruits for a classic version. This recipe makes the toasts really tender and tasty because of the cream and the yolks. It's really delicious. The toasts are very tender and the flavors really came out perfect. But if you want to bring your toast to the next level, use a cream cheese topping by mixing 100 grams of cream cheese with about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or until it gets creamy and silky. Use some apple pie filling. You can get a good recipe in my apple pie video. The link is in the description. Top your toast with apple pie filling, the cream cheese topping, and cover with some granola or oat crumble. This apple pie crumble version is my favorite. This one is really breathtaking. You need to try it. For our savory version, I'm using the same bread. And for the custard, 1 egg and 1 yolk. The same as for the cream and milk from the first recipe. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. We also need some bacon strips. You can fry your bacon on a pan or place it in the oven over a tray with parchment paper and bake it for 30 minutes or until it's nice and crispy. Again, soak the bread and cook them as before. For this one, before placing the toasters in the oven, top it with the cheese. I'm using medium cheddar cheese and some Gouda. You can use any melting cheese you like as well. Place your toast into the oven as before until the cheese is melted. Serve with the bacon on top, some parsley or chives, and for sure, maple syrup. Cheese, bacon, and maple syrup make this one delicious combination. The chili also gives it a nice bit of spice, which I love. So, these are my 3 delicious versions of incredible French toast. Give them a try and let me know what you think. Feel free to share your own creations also. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you liked, don't forget to drop a like. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing and delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao!